How to change Paramount Plus maturity rating settings. To change Paramount Plus maturity rating settings, first of all, go ahead and then launch the application on your device or simply open any web browser of your choice. Then head to paramountplus.com, proceed to log into your account. Once you've logged in, from the homepage, you will find your account icon or your profile picture on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, then head to this account section. Now, once you tap on that account option, you will find this parental control on the bottom. Make sure that you enable this feature. Now, right beneath it, you will find this setting panel. Tap on this edit option. From there, you can choose to set up PIN as well. And once you set up the PIN, you can also choose the exact content ratings from here. You can choose between the adult, teens, older kids, and all kids. Once you select any of these options, make sure that you save it by tapping on the save option. And that is how you can change Paramount Plus maturity rating settings. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.